Hello everybody, Burnt Church here. I was wanting to review and talk about this Metabo 36 multivolt here that I've got. It's really impressed me. It's cut way better than what I ever thought from a battery powered one. Now I had an older model DeWalt 18 volt, and which I know that's 18 volt and this is 36, but there's no comparison. This saw feels like a real good tool when you put it in your hand. It's weighs about 10 pounds with the battery in it. It's not too awkward feeling like some battery saws I have picked up. It feels good in your hand. All the functions seems to work real well. The only thing I've seen is when you're cutting a wide board, when you almost get all the way pushed into the board, there's just a little, you have to kind of push a little harder than it feels like you ought to get the fence to come up. It's like there's a hard spot in the fence. That's not a deal breaker for me. But this is the HPT model, if you was to be interested in one of them. Right here is where you put the motor on silent. And right here is where you turn your light on and off. There's the model number of it if anybody's interested in getting one of them. Now all this is just my opinion about it. I'm not being paid to advertise it or anything. But when I find something that works and I really like it, I like to share it with you. It's just my opinion, but I feel like it's a real good tool. We're gonna be cutting some crazy hard wood here with it. This is seasoned out gum. This here is dried hickory. This is dried red oak. Pretty big piece. I'll cut it in regular mode and then I'll put it in silent and let you hear the difference. Alright, that was regular mode. Now this will be in silent mode. It may not even cut it. It seems to me like it gets weaker when it's in silent. Yeah, it still cut it. I had to go a little slower. We'll get a long rip here if I can hold it without cutting a hand off. I'll do it in regular mode. It sounds like it's too hard on it in silent. I'll try a short rip in silent. It sped up there for some reason, I don't know why. I don't ever run it in silent. It just seems like it weakens it to me. Let's cut on this big 4x. This is a cut off of a 4x4 red oak. We'll cut this thickest end. Now this is in regular mode, not silent. Well, there you go. Does a pretty good job. Here's this gum piece up close. I'll cut it in regular mode and in silent mode too. That's regular mode. Here's silent mode. Well, there you go. That's the 7 1/4 inch Metabo 36 multivolt. Make sure if you're getting one, make sure you get the HPT. I'm real satisfied with it. In my opinion, it's a good saw. Make 2 different kinds. If you go to get this one, make sure you get this HPT. The other one I think's 18 volt. I didn't want it. I wanted this 36 volt. And you can also buy an adapter that will go into here, and you can plug it into the wall and you can use it like a corded saw. That was another reason I wanted this one. But anyway, from Burnt Church, I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.